Hey, I'm Brian with Score Outdoors, and in this video we are going to break down what our bicycle tunes cover. Our prices are the lowest in town, while still providing high-quality professional work. For prices on our tunes, please visit our website at score-outdoors.com. Our standard tune includes cleaning your bicycle, adjust your shifting, which includes adjusting the rear derailleur and the front derailleur if you have one, truing your wheels. Nobody likes a wibbly wobbly wheel. Properly tensioning the headset, cranks and bottom bracket, hubs, and other nuts and bolts. Testing and lubing your chain. We have an easy test to determine the wear of your drivetrain. We also lube your chain. We like to use the blue stuff from SCC, a high quality performance lube. The Deluxe Tune includes everything from the standard tune, but covers more. It covers bathing and cleaning your drivetrain, recabling if needed, installation of some parts, but does not include installation of forks, rear shocks, bottom brackets, hydraulic disc brakes, and dropper seat posts. Parts are not included in the Deluxe Tune. Again, for prices on our tunes and more, please visit our website at score-outdoors.com. And we'd love to see your beautiful face and your beautiful bikes here in the shop. For your outdoor gear and more, Score Outdoors.